So the brand, they sent me this light to do a review on. Not the bulb, but the actual fixture. And as an electrician, made me really happy because we got to ditch this old style mount for a bracket that actually gives you a ton of room for your wires on the back, and it makes it so that for older homes where it doesn't have an actual box for the wires coming out, I was able to mount it up and not have to have a bunch of holes behind it for adjustments like with these screws here. When you see this, it typically shows it with the Edison style bulb, and this one is not the Edison style. This one is an LED, and I will honestly say it does not look as good without the Edison style, but I like this bulb because it offers more light. One of the cool things is you can just pop that down and then you can change your bulb super easily. This one I have so that it actually adjusts to different light levels, and then it's all fully enclosed. So you can avoid getting a bunch of the big critters in there, moths and all that stuff. There's still little gaps for bugs to get in, but it is a nice, large, clean, sleek looking fixture that is gonna work on any kind of home, and that's what's really nice. You can get a bunch of different styles. This is just a single, but you can get it in doubles or more, however many you need to take care of your housing projects. And this is one that I would highly recommend for anybody that has an older home because of how it mounts specifically. So if you want something that's easy to mount, something that's gonna look good around your home, then these light fixtures are a fantastic option.